Baka tanungin pa ako kung ano tanongin. Baka ano.
No, always be your best. I don't know what it be. Leno Example, Steve Carell. I don't want that bed. No, God. No, God. Please. No, no. What, diba? Eh, nakakute naman. Cute-cute naman ang Steve Carell na yan, oh. Oh. Ang galing niya. Ang grabe naman yun. No, God, please. No, no, no. No. Ganyan. Ang ganyan lang naman. Hala, diba? Ang ganda-ganda nga ni Moira de la Torre, oh. So much than worse. Giselle? Ang cute-cute naman naman from both of you. From both of you. Because your R is lovely.